Hey guys, just wanted to share a video about how I got my McGuard lug lock off. Um, the mechanic that worked on my car last, he put the lug lock on way too tight. This is a new one, but I'll show you the old one a little bit. He put it on way too tight, so when the key was trying to be used, it was just eating up keys. I just kept like mashing up keys, and they just get destroyed. I think I went through like four keys, trying to get off the impact gun and whatnot, and nothing was getting it off to any available. Then I tried using one of these guys here. This is one of these reverse impact bolt grippers, I guess you can call them. And what's supposed to do with these flutes here, they're supposed to kind of suck down on the bolt and grip in, but with it being a round lug lock, I didn't get it to grip well, and I just started eating up the inside of the bit. Same thing with this guy. This might have worked maybe if it looked like it would work if it was off now that it's off the car, but I didn't have any luck with these at all either. So after just kind of trying to go the easy way out, I figured the next best step would be to drill and with a reverse tap and reverse thread bolt. So you can get all this stuff on Amazon. That's where I got it. So yeah, you just got to what you got to do though is make sure that you if you're drilling through like hard steel like what this is, you gotta start small and work your way up. So it's gonna take a little bit, but this is what worked for me. So drilled it all out. I had to buy this. This is a 10.3 millimeter bit, and this worked with this reverse tap here. Let's see if I can get some numbers off of it if it focuses. It doesn't want to focus. I'll leave the details in the comments, but yeah. So basically, I got I already got the lug out, but I just want to show. I drilled and then tapped, and then with this reverse thread bolt, when you tighten it down, or say when you put your impact on loosen, what you're doing is, so this is reverse thread. So that's sucking down on it. And I used some washers as spacer because, I probably went this deep, but this was the only size bolt that I could get that was a grade, I think this is a grade 12, yeah. So I want a strong grade. But yeah, then, just put your impact driver in reverse and it should come right out. And that's it. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching.